Welcome student. Today we are going to discuss about parallel plate capacitor. A parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel plates, rectangular plates like this. Like this, you see rectangular plate which has got a length as well as breadth. Two plates, parallel plates separated by a small distance. So this is a parallel plate separated. It has got length and breadth. So let it be this is area. Both the area are same. Area is equal to length into breadth. And if they are given a charge, if they are given connected to a battery of voltage V, this will get a positive side, will give positive charge or positive surface charge density, because surface charge density is equal to charge by area. Positive means positive surface charge density, and negative charge means negative charge density. So here we can say simply sigma R minus Q, and they are separated by a distance D. This is medium. Medium is usually a dielectric. When this is given charge, what will happen? The charge will appear on the inner side of the surface. So charge will appear on the inner side of the surface. It means electric field inside the dielectric is in this direction, electric field in this direction. So as it is, we know what is the electric field inside. As it is, we have studied in the, this is a plane sheet. Its electric field due to a plane sheet is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Already we have derived. This is magnitude of electric field. If it is positive charge or positive, then it will go like this. It will go outward. The positive means it will go outward. Okay. And with a magnitude of sigma by 2 epsilon naught 0. If you are keeping a negative sheet of charge, that is negative charge. Negative charge, what will be? It will have the same magnitude. Since it is not having distance factor, the electric field everywhere is same, and it is a negative, it will come inside like this. So from everywhere it will come inside. So this is from here, from this is go out, from this will go out. This is for negative plate, this is for positive plate. What is the electric field inside? See, this side is due to negative, it will go inside, due to positive, it will go outside. Here both are having same magnitude but directions are opposite. So here outside the electric field will be equal to 0. Same way here, this is outgoing, this is incoming. The electric field, net electric field here is equal to 0, because both will have sigma by 2 epsilon naught 0 in this direction. This will have sigma by epsilon in this direction. Because of negative charge, it will come inside. Because of positive charge, this will go this side. So what about this one? Here, this is due to the positive moving out, and due to the negative charge moving in. So both are in the same direction. So this is positive plate, this is negative plate. This is positive plate, negative plate. We can treat it as a capacitor, and this electric field inside the plate is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught for this, plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma epsilon, what is the direction? The direction will be in this way. So here positive direction, the direction will be in this way, and this is electric field strength is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. This is the electric field inside the. So as it is two parallel sheet of plate, this is a capacitor having two parallel plates of opposite charge in nature. Now we have to find out, as it is we know the electric, from the basics of the electrostatics, what we are studying, electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge divided by distance square, and electric field can also be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by D into 1 by D, we can write this way also. This is equal to potential. So electric field can be written as potential divided by D, or V is equal to E into D. So electric field between the plates is equal to sigma by epsilon naught 0, and Q is equal to 0 already. CO already we have derived this equation, and sigma is equal to charge by area, and potential difference is equal to electric field into the distance. Now let us see what is the, since we know V is equal to E into D. What is electric field inside? Electric field inside this is electric field inside is equal to sigma by epsilon naught 0. Sigma by epsilon naught 0 is equal to charge. See, one thing you have to remember, charge on the capacitor means charge on the positive plates, not on the negative plates. And the electric field, this electric field is, the electric field lines will go from here to positive to negative, and it is almost perpendicular. So the electric field between the plates is plate surface almost perpendicular to the plate surface, and plate surface almost charge resides on the inner side of the both the plates. So sigma is equal to Q by A into 1 by epsilon naught. This is electric field. And what is potential? Potential is equal to E into D, the distance, that is Q A by epsilon naught into D, that is the potential. As it is the definition of potential, capacitance is equal to charge by voltage is equal to charge. Charge means positive charge. Charge by voltage, what is voltage? Q by A epsilon naught into D. So it means the Q and Q will get cancelled. The capacitance is equal to A epsilon naught divided by D, where D stands for distance of separation between the two plates, epsilon naught absolute permittivity of the free space. If it is kept in the air is kept as a dielectric medium, then only epsilon naught will come. Otherwise it will come like this, where this is equal to E naught into K, or E naught into relative permittivity. This already we have seen it at electrostatics. So since for air K is equal to 1, we write for this one as epsilon naught. That's why we write epsilon naught. From here, what we can see from here, from this one, you can see the capacitance of parallel plates depends upon the area, depends upon the dielectric, and inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. So we can see electric for parallel plate capacitor, capacitance is equal to A epsilon naught by D. This is the for parallel plate capacitor.